Hello! Thank you for visiting Miyako's Kitchen, where you find healthy plant-based recipes. Today, we're going to make cold brew iced tea. The recipe is in the description below, so let's get started. This is the easiest of all, so let's start with jasmine green tea with rose petals. Add jasmine green tea leaves and rose petals into a jar. Then pour water and stir. Now you can leave at room temperature for a couple of hours or refrigerate up to 12 hours. From my experience, it seems like green tea brews quicker than any other kind of tea. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section below. Using a tea strainer, remove tea leaves and rose petals. Serve with ice and garnish with rose petals. Alright, let's start making Earl Grey tea with peach. Cut peach into quarter and slice. Now peel off yellow part of lemon skin. Try not to get the white part if you can, since the white part produces a bitter aftertaste. Into a jar, add sliced peach, lemon skin, and Earl Grey tea leaf. Then pour water and stir. You can leave in room temperature for several hours or refrigerate up to 12 hours. Several hours later, place a fine mesh colander over an empty jar and strain the mixture. Using a pestle or spoon, mash the peach and get all the juice out of it. Now you can serve with ice and garnish with slice of peach and lemon. Now we're going to make vegan chai latte with almond milk. Crushed ginger and cardamom pods. Place in a jar along with black tea leaves. Now we're going to make almond milk, but you can omit this process if you're using store-bought almond milk. Add almonds and water into a blender and process until it turns into milky. Pour the almond milk into a jar. Close the lid, shake, and refrigerate for 6 to 12 hours. To decant, place a fine mesh colander over an empty jar and strain the mixture. Using a spoon, stir the mixture to accelerate the process. Or you can leave it alone until it stops dripping, just like when you make drip coffee. Now you can serve with ice and sprinkle some cinnamon powder. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, check out more videos on this screen. I'll see you soon. Bye! Waheeguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheeguru Ji Ki Fateh.